Hello students, myself Dhananjay Misra. This is lecture 7, class 2nd, and we continue our topic subtraction. Today we discuss what problems of subtraction. Subtraction keywords are how many left, how many more, how many less, how many did not, how many are not. Okay, how many left, how many more, how many less, how many did not, how many are not. If you see these group of words in any problem, you must have to do subtraction. Let us consider the first example. On her birthday, Simi bought a packet of 80 cookies. She distributed 36 cookies to her friends. How many are left with her? Okay. On her birthday, Simi bought a packet of 80 cookies. She distributed 36 cookies to her friends. How many are left with her? How many are left? How many are left? Group of word is used here. So we will do subtraction. This is the subtraction keywords. How many are left? Okay. Now we subtract 36 from 80 because 80 is greater number and 36 is smaller number in your problem. 80 minus 36. But we can't subtract 6 from 0 in ones place, as you see, because 6 is greater than 0, so we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we will take one borrow from 10 digit. When we take one borrow from 8, then 8 will become 7, and we know that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones, and we take 1/10 as borrow. That 1/10 will become 10 ones, and this 0 ones also. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. Now we can subtract 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 in ones place, and in tens place 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. In this way your answer. 44 cookies are left with Simi. Let us consider the another example. In class 2nd, there are 46 girls and 38 boys. Okay. In class 2nd, there are 46 girls and 38 boys. How many more girls are there? How many more? Okay. How many more? How many less? How many are left? How many did not? How many are? These are the subtraction keywords in which how many more are one, how many more is used here. So we will do subtraction. 46 is greater and 38 is smaller. We subtract 38 from 46. Subtract 38 from 46. And again the problem is here for subtraction. In ones digit, as you see, the number 8 is greater than number 6. We can't subtract 8 from 6. Again we will take one borrow from 10th digit. Here 10th digit is 4. Okay. In this way we take borrow. When we will take one borrow from 4, then 4 will become 3, and that 1/10 will become 10 ones, and we have already 6 ones. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16 ones. Okay. This is also called regrouping. Now we can subtract 8 from 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0, 8 means 8. So there are 8 more girls. Your question was how many more girls are there? So there are 8 more girls. Let us consider the another problem. In a car park there are 65 white cars and 56 red cars. How many less red cars are there? Okay, in a car park there are 65 white cars and 56 red cars. How many less red cars are there? How many less? Group of words is used here. These are subtraction keywords. We will do subtraction. 65 is greater, 56 is smaller. So we subtract 56 from 65. Subtract 56 from 65. Again, the same problem is here. So we do subtraction by regrouping. Again take 1/10 from 10th digit. So your 10th digit will become 5 and that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones and we have already 5 ones. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now we have 15 ones and in bottom the ones is 6 which is smaller than 15. Now we can subtract 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 and 10th place is a subtraction. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 0 9 means 9. Hence there are 9 less red cars. Thank you.